And this is pretty much it, guys. Everything fits very well. So like you have your ND filters here for the Osmo Pocket 3. I'm using the Osmo Pocket 3 to film this, so the case is just gonna sit in there. We have this little thing that I made. We have the battery pack. Everything slides in and out very easily. I measured very well, I would say. You got a light, you got your tripod, and there's another slot for if you have another tripod. The mics all go in here. Boom, boom. More mics in here. So yeah, it's perfectly fit. And along the edges, I made these little squares so I can put posts in here so that I could have a second floor should I want to. And I think I will. I think I will have these go up to like right here and then have like another story here. And yeah, add more stuff on the top, like some power banks, just have some slots where they all sit, boom, 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 boom. Because you use power banks a lot with this equipment. And then just have an extra storage slot. So if you wanted to, I would say, and I might just like hot glue these together or silicone adhesive, silicone caulk the edges together. It fits really well in the box though, so the measurements are great. It definitely allows for some more portability. And if you really are moving like I am, you can just throw everything on top of it and then everything underneath it will still be organized. Let's look at the CAD file real quick. I designed this in Fusion 360 and this is pretty much the whole thing. This is all it is. I then sent it to my bamboo slicer. I probably have something else loaded in there right now. Yeah, I have something else loaded in there, but take my word for it. I just sliced it up into multiple sections, printed it on multiple plates. That's why there's 4 plates. And then this is pretty much it, guys. So let me know what you think in the comments below if you've ever made something like this before. If you want to make something like this and want some ideas, let's start a conversation. But this is my little media slot in my cardboard box that I'm reusing. How sick is that?